Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Excel. So with Excel you can calculate many different things, and if you have lots and lots and lots of numbers to keep track of, don't worry, Excel can help you. So anyway, um, the first thing you need to know about Excel is you can customize all your headings however you want it. So let's say I have daily expenses, right? And I don't want to, like, for example, I want all my subheadings to be the same font. What I can do is, okay, let's say I have this as my font and I want all my subheadings to have this font. What I can do is I highlight my title, then I click Format Painter, and then I just click on the things that I want to change. But you see, now my subtitle is a bit too big, so I'm gonna just adjust the size and I'm done. I can do the same for the total at the bottom there. I just highlight the one that I want to copy, then I click Format Painter, and I just press total and total will change. Yeah. Also, if you think that you're gonna have lots and lots of columns and you don't think you can remember them all, well, what you can do is you rename your boxes. You can have daily expenses here without any spaces, because Microsoft Excel won't accept any spaces in this box. So you type in what you want, you press enter. Maybe you want to keep track of the day, right? So you have day there. You want to keep track of the amount, you type in amount, press enter. So then if you're like you're doing lots and lots of stuff and you can't remember which was what was where, all you have to do is click this down arrow and press whatever you want and it will go to your box. Yeah, that is the total daily amount. So you can see I picked total daily and it highlighted it. If I wanted day, it will highlight the box. Okay, so now I want to type in the days. It's gonna be really a lot of hard work if I were to type in the day in every column manually. So Excel has this thing where you can see this small little box there. You just drag it down and Excel will, oops, you have to aim properly and click the tiny box at the side, not anywhere else but just the box. You drag that down and Excel will type it out for you, not like what I did, what I just like did before this. That was dragging the column itself down. We don't want that. We want Excel to type it out for us. Okay, so since I'm calculating my daily expenses, I will type in amounts. I can just type in amounts. You can type in, yeah, any way you want. As you can see, some of the boxes have already the dollar sign on it. This is because I clicked this button right here. So you can see if this is not in the um, monetary form. So what I can do is I just click this and oops. Yeah, there was some technical difficulty there because it was thought as a text, as in 32 a text, part of a text. So I changed it to a real number. Yeah. So what I want is the total now. So what I can do, instead of busting out a calculator and typing in all the values here, what I can do as an alternative, a faster alternative, is to either select this box, total box, because you want the total here, and then I press the insert function button up here and then look for what I want, whether I want the sum of everything, the average, whatever it is. You can see it here or more here. But if we are more used to Excel, we know that we can put an equal sign there, and the computer will automatically know that we want to put in some sort of formula, mathematical formula that we want to perform in Excel. So right now I put an equal, and immediately the computer put in sum there. So if you don't know and you want to like put in other things, you can type in letter by letter lah. But we know that we want sum, so we're gonna pick sum. Double click. Okay, now they are asking for some open bracket something, so they want us to tell them what we want to calculate. So what you can do is you just press the thing that you want to calculate. We want to calculate from B3 to B9. So I just clicked B3 and it appeared there. Then what I can do is I add in a plus sign and then I click the next thing that I want to add. Just do the same thing over and over until I get to B9. Once I get to B9, I just press enter. And then I get the total right there. So you can calculate your expenses there. But then if you have many other things to keep track of, for example, you don't want something as simple as this. You want to really keep track of what you do every day. Maybe we don't calculate it daily, but we calculate it monthly. So we have to change this. Okay. So as we did in the first Excel sheet, we type in Monday and then we drag it down. We can do the same for month. But this time maybe I want to do a short form of everything. So I just put Jan, short for January. I aim the small black box and I drag it down all the way to December. There. And then what I can do is I can type in whatever values that I want. Oops, this is in percentage. What you can do is just press the monetary value and it will change. AY is in. Yeah. Change. You can put in how whatever value you want. For example, maybe I spent a lot on school. Maybe I spent on textbooks and paying for the whole course or something. And then I spent like $12 on transport the whole month. Maybe that's too cheap. I don't know. Yeah, and I want to, let's say I want to calculate the total I spent on things that I cannot help but spend on, like school and transportation. I can cut back on food, but I cannot cut back on these two because sometimes it cannot be helped and stuff. Yeah. So what I can do is I press total where I want the total to be. Again, like we saw before, we just press the equal sign. Then we select the first box that we want. We want B3 plus school sum plus the transportational sum. But we just want to calculate you just want to calculate how much we can spend without food. So we don't really need to calculate the food, so we just leave it out. Press enter and you have the total for what is needed. So that's how you can do other mathematical formulas too, like if you want to like calculate really advanced math skills and stuff. Yeah, so that is how you use Excel. Thank you.